Wera SV2 Zyklop 3.8-inch metric ratchet set. This is a demo of the voice-text English TTS system. 5 ratchet types into one robust tool. Wera 43-piece 3.8-inch metric set features the new Wera Zyklop Ratchet, which combines 5 ratchet types into one robust tool. Swivel head has defining lock points at 0, 15 and 90 degrees left and right, preventing the head from slipping. Combination of freewheeling sleeve and rotating mass design turns nut or screw with unbelievable speed at 0-degree position. Add adapter and bit and ratchet can be used as conventional screwdriver. Easily accessible thumbwheel that reverses direction in any position. Sockets feature distinctive knurling for easy manual tightening. Premium extensions are fitted with Wera's flexible lock system, preventing slipping or accidental disconnection and loss of tool. All Wera hand tools feature the ergonomic Kraftform handle, with hard and soft zones, that fits the shape to the hand for the ultimate in comfort. Includes 3/8-inch ratchet, 18 sockets, metric, 2 flexible lock extensions, short and long, sliding T-handle, universal joint, wobble extension, adapter and 18 bits. Combines the features of 5 ratchets into one tool. Becomes a screwdriver with unbelievable speed in the inline position. Limited lifetime warranty, German engineered. There are no burrs, everything is finished perfectly and it works as intended. The ratchet has some features because it only needs to be moved a few degrees to tighten or loosen something. Thank you for using voice text. You need to contact our sales support team to obtain a valid verification file. Lesser ratchets require more movement, which is not a problem if you actually have a space to move the handle. Wera's extensions have little locking buttons to guarantee that that never happens, and that by itself was enough to make me eager to switch. The locking pivotable head and heavy metal case full of high-density foam sealed the deal. Wera's really done away with just about every single ratchet-related annoyance you can think of here, and they've done it without sacrificing durability. There's some plastic in there, but it's the good stuff and nothing creaks or flexes in ways that it shouldn't. The Wera tool line so far has completely exceeded my expectations in every way. The precision tooling is a pleasure to work with and makes all other stuff I've laid my hands on feel grossly inferior. You cannot go wrong with this line of tools. Their screwdrivers, bits, and now the ratchet lineup are of the highest quality, and make working with them a pleasure. While the cost can be high, in this case, you are getting what you are paying for. German engineered, Czech made, quality tooling. It isn't a cheap tool, but if preferring Wera, you're investing your money, not spending. Fortunately, Amazon always offers a good prices. The build quality is excellent and the set are really durable. To purchase Wera 8100 SP2 Zyklop metric ratchet set, please visit the link in the video description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.